have the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, and I'll be showing you how to take screenshots on this phone. So the first way you can take a screenshot is by pressing the volume down and power button. So you press them simultaneously once and release, and that takes a screenshot. So let's do that again. Volume down and power button. Press once and release, and that takes a screenshot. And you can see the screenshot toolbar at the bottom, with which you can edit or share these screenshots. Another way of taking screenshots is by swiping down to the quick settings and then find the take screenshot option. If it's not there, then you can just tap on the pencil icon at the top and then tap on edit here under full and then drag it here. So for instance, if it's not there, then it might be missing like that. Okay, so what you need to do is find it here under available options, long press and drag it to that section and then tap on done. And then from now on, anytime you swipe down, you should see the option to take screenshot. Tap on it and it takes a screenshot. And you can do this from any page, literally. So it could be here, and then you want to take a screenshot of that. It takes a screenshot. Now, another way you can take screenshots is using the palm swipe feature. So if you swipe your palm across the screen, that takes a screenshot. And you can even swipe it the other way. So if you want to swipe from left to right, that also takes a screenshot. Now, to be able to use that feature, you have to enable that option in the settings. So under settings, if you go back to the main settings page, under settings, just go to advanced features, tap on that, and then go to motions and gestures, tap on that, and then go to palm swipe to capture and make sure that is enabled. If it's disabled, then you'll not be able to swipe your palm to take screenshots. But once it's enabled like that, then you can just swipe your palm and it's going to take a screenshot. Now, in case you need to take scrolling screenshots, if you're on any scrollable page, for instance, if you're on a settings page like this, as you can see, is a scrollable page, and you want to take just one screenshot of this scrolling page or scrollable page, like this page, or even a web browser page. For instance, let's open a web browser. So maybe you're on a web page like this and you want to capture the entire thing in one screenshot, then you can actually take scrolling screenshot. So Samsung identifies when you're on a scrollable page, and when you take a screenshot on any scrollable page, you'll have an extra option in the screenshot toolbar. So you can tap on that and keep on tapping, and it's going to keep on scrolling and capturing until you're happy with the screenshot. Then you can tap on the screenshot itself and see what you captured. So there is our scrolling screenshot. Okay, so these are the different ways of taking screenshots on your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.